Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the fingerprint lock in this device. So before set the fingerprint lock, we need to set any screen password. So in this device I set one pattern screen lock. Swipe up, you can see, draw the pattern, it is unlocked. So let me show you how to enable, how to done the fingerprint lock in this device. For this, go to settings, tap on the option security and privacy, tap on device unlock, then here you can see the option fingerprint, tap on this one. So here we need to enter our current screen lock, tap on setup, tap on OK. So tap on the fingerprint scanner. Okay, so here we need to touch the this is a fingerprint scanner, we need to touch this one. The procedure is, you can see, put the finger on the sensor and lift after you feel a vibration. Move your finger with each touch to record your entire fingerprint. So do this procedure. You can see, when the fingerprint scanner detect your fingerprint, then you will feel one vibration. Then you need to lift your finger and again touch. Do this procedure, and slightly you need to move your finger also. Yeah, done. If you want to add one more, then tap on the option add another, otherwise tap on done. Now you can say finger 1 is added. Now lock the device. Now you can see fingerprint scanner is enabled in the lock screen. Touch the fingerprint scanner, it is unlocked. Let me show you again. So simply in this way you can set the fingerprint lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.